Jiaohu grinding machine is widely used in nuts such as peanuts, almonds, cashews, sesame seeds, macadamia nuts, and other high oil materials and various seed materials which need grind with water. Fruits, apple, pear, orange, mango, and other fruits. Vegetables, garlic, onion, fresh ginger, radish, tomato, etc., and most leafy vegetables. Most suitable for grinding materials with higher viscosity and larger size particles. The fineness after grinding can reach more than 100 mesh. First, equipment can achieve ultra-fine crushing of solids in suspension in a short time. That is, micronization has the functions of mixing, stirring, dispersing, and emulsifying at the same time. Second, high efficiency and output can solve the needs of industrial production efficiently. Third, use high-strength martensitic stainless steel with super processing performance. Can grind many different hardness materials. Fourth, compact structure. It has the advantages of simple operation, stable operation, low noise, corrosion resistance, easy cleaning, convenient equipment maintenance, and small footprint.